Hi there, how is it going? Today we're gonna learn how to describe our daily and weekly routines. Are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, when we describe routines, we normally use adverbs and expressions of frequency. But what is an adverb of frequency? It's a timed word that answers the question how frequently and how often. Here you have some adverbs of frequency. Look, always, usually, normally, frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, hardly ever, and never. But there is an important question. In what position do we place the adverb of frequency? There are two situations. Take a look. Number one, if we use the verb to be are, or is, we place the adverb of frequency after the verb to be. For example, Annie is usually with her grandmother. Usually is the adverb of frequency, and it is placed after the verb to be, as you can see. Situation number two. If we use verbs that are not are, is, action verbs, we place the adverb of frequency before the action verb. For example, Louis always goes to the gym. Always is the adverb of frequency in this case. And it is placed, as you can see, before the action verb. And here you have more examples. I often jog in the park. We sometimes play video games. My parents are normally at home. She never eats salad. Remember, after the verb to be and before the action verb. And you can also use expressions of frequency to describe routines. For example, once an hour, twice a week, 3, 4, 5 times a month, every year. Look at these examples. Elena drinks water 3 times an hour. I eat meat once a month. Robert's parents go to the cinema every week. There is an important question. In what position do we place the expressions of frequency? Look, they are normally at the end of the sentence. For example, Lorena visits her family once a month. He goes to the swimming pool every afternoon. I am at home 3 times a week. And you can use the following expressions to show how you and others go to places using means of transportation. For example, car, bicycle, plane, but remember, we use the preposition by with all means of transportation. Look at the examples. She goes to school by car. I go to my grandmother's house by bicycle. Peter always goes to work by plane. And that's all for today, guys. Don't forget all these tips to express your daily or weekly routine. And congratulations! Now you know how to do it. Bye bye. See you next time.